Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. So, just a disclaimer before the video starts. This video that you're watching is the same one as this one. But, the reason, if you don't want to hear this, just skip this. But, basically, when you're a small YouTuber, if you don't upload your videos in 4K, YouTube makes the camera quality look basically terrible. So, I filmed in 1080p, which is good. But whenever you upload it to YouTube, it basically makes it look like 100p. So, the old video, it looked terrible. It was a good video, but the camera quality just looked terrible. So, but I was editing off of my phone. I edited that video off of my phone, and I didn't have a computer at the time, so my phone couldn't handle an 8-minute video in 4K. So, now I have a computer, and this video that you're watching is the same as that video, just everything's the same, except it's in 4K now, and it's going to look good for you. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're over here at my grandparents' house. Built some dirt bike trails not too long ago. First ride on them, so we're gonna try them out, see how they are. First time I ever used a GoPro on a dirt bike, so see how that goes. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Yep, now my bars are all messed up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, this is kind of the first video of dirt bike riding, and hopefully many more. Sorry for my really sweaty hair, just got done riding. So yeah, if you liked it, like and subscribe. I'm trying to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. And the only way I can do that is with y'all's help. So I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. And yeah, see you in the next one.